If you are not using in the right way, and if you're not using the right Dermaroller, and if you're using cropping ingredients after that, and not mine, which are made and designed to be used after microneedling, don't come at me. Period. I'm mad. Yes, I'm angry. I'm yelling. Yes. You and we're going to have a serious conversation right now about those babies right here. Dermaroller. How often you should use Dermaroller? Make it right. Be smart. Here is the table, updated table 2023, how you should be using Dermaroller. And not any other way. Don't complain. Don't come to me and complain. Jen, I don't have results. I've been using 3 weeks. I don't see results. Or Jen, I've been using 3 months. I don't see results. If you are not using in the right way, and if you're not using the right Dermaroller, don't come to me. And if you're using cropping ingredients after that, and not mine, which are made and designed to be used after microneedling, don't come at me. Period. I'm mad. Yes, I'm angry. I'm yelling. Yes. Let's go through this table right now so we can be on the same page. So 0.25 you can use for serum absorption, you can use for large pores, you can use for under eye area twice per week maximum. No more often, not every day, max. For eye area, don't even think about using something else. Don't even think to use 0.25 on the eyelids. I am serious. I'm very, very serious. 0.5 you can use for serum absorption, large pores, hyperpigmentation, chest stretch marks, hair loss, wrinkles. Got it? Once a week, no more often. Once a week. 0.75 you can use for hyperpigmentation, you can use for stretch marks, you can use for hair loss. This is more advanced version. You can use for wrinkles, deeper wrinkles, and you can use for shallow scars. No more often. Once every 3 weeks. You got me? All right, 1 millimeter. Only for hair loss, deep body scars, and deep stretch marks. You got it? Only once a month. Now, 1.5 should be used only for the body. Never, ever, ever for the face. Never, ever. Never, 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 ever, ever, ever on the face. And it can be used only for the deep body scars and deep stretch marks every 6 weeks and no more often. You got it? Save this video, share with your friends, send to your bestie because she's been doing Dermaroller wrong, and screenshot this table and save it in your favorites in your photo album. That's it. I love you. I know you will have amazing results if you just gonna listen what I told you. Any more questions? Down below in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.